Hello friends, in this video I shall take up a problem which is very important for competitions. Now this is a problem of finding the area of a trapezium whose length of the parallel sides and the length of the non-parallel sides, all four sides the length is given in the question and you have to find the area. Now there is no formula in which you can use the four sides and find the length of the distance between the parallel sides, because that's what is required to crack this question. What is the formula for finding the area of a trapezium? Half the sum of the bases, that is the sum of the parallel sides, multiplied by the height or the distance between the parallel sides. So if you are able to find the distance between the parallel sides easily, only then you can proceed with this question. So how do you tackle this question? I'll tell you a minor construction which has to be done in this question first. So what I do here is, I will first go for construction by trying to construct a parallelogram in this figure. So from B, I will be drawing a parallel line parallel to AD like this. So this line I have drawn parallel to AD. Now let this point be P. Now you can see that this particular figure is a parallelogram. Why? Because these two sides were already parallel and this is drawn parallel. So if both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, then obviously it is a parallelogram. Now if it is a parallelogram, then AD has to be equal to BP. So this side is also 13 meters. This was 14 meters. And if it is a parallelogram, then AB will be equal to DP, because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So DP is also 10 meters. And now you can find out the remaining part, that is PC. So how much will be PC? 25 minus 10, which is 15 meters. And now I know all the three sides of this triangle BPC. So if I know all the three sides of the triangle BPC, then I can find its area using what? Using the Heron's formula. So let's apply Heron's formula to find the area of triangle BPC. So I'll write the three sides here and then solve it for you. So the three sides are 13, 14 and 15. So let's take S, the semi-perimeter, as 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. So this will be 42 by 2, that is 21. And now area of triangle BPC will be, you know the formula, Heron's formula, square root of S minus A. So 21 minus 13 is 8. S minus B, 21 minus 14 is 7. And S minus C, 21 minus 15 is 6. How do I find the square root of this? Just make factors. 21 is 3 into 7. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 7 is a prime number, and then 6 is 2 into 3. You need to do this very quickly. Now make pairs and bring all the pairs outside. This will be 21 into 4, 84 centimeters square. This is the area of triangle BPC. Now once you have found out the area of triangle BPC, you can draw the perpendicular like this. This is what is required in the question actually. Everything is being done to find the H, because that is the distance between the parallel sides. Now area of triangle BPC is half into base into height. Base is 15 and height is H, which is equal to 84. So H comes out to be, this will be 84 into 2 by 15. So this is how we need to calculate the value of H. So I will cancel this by 3. So this is 5 and this is 28. So this is 56 by 5 centimeters. Now having found out H, you can find out the area of the trapezium very easily now. So area of trapezium will be, you know the formula, half sum of the two bases. The bases are 10 and 25, which is 35, multiplied by 56 by 5, which is the height. Now calculation is just simple. this is 7 times and this is 28 times. So 7 into 28 will give me my final answer for the question, and this will be 196 centimeter square. So friends, these are the methods you need to follow for cracking these type of questions. Now use of Heron's formula is one of the very important things you need to understand, and it is used in some special questions like this. If there is any other way you can find the area of this trapezium knowing all the four sides, please let me know in the comment section. I'll surely love to make a video based on that particular method also. So friends, if you like this video, an informative video, not a short trick, do share it with all your friends who are studying in class 9, especially because it is for class 9 students only basically. And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, you are missing out on a lot of things on the channel currently going on. So please subscribe it, and do click the bell icon also for getting the notifications.